Hello everyone, I'm Rose, and today we're going to be making a delicious mangonada roses style, which is kind of like a Mexican slushy with lots of goodies. Okay, so let me go over some ingredients I'm going to be using today. I've got a bag of frozen mango chunks. You'll also need 2 mangoes. I have already chopped them up. And if you see here, I also reserved a few. This is going to be one of my toppings. You're going to need a lime. I've got some fresh strawberries, watermelon, some mango syrup, some chamoy, which is basically a Mexican condiment made with pickled fruit. This is tahine, which is a chili seasoning for fruit. Then these are tamarindo straws, which is basically a candy straw, some clear solo cups, you'll need sugar, and I also got some gummy worms with some gummy I've got my blender all ready to go, and I've got 2 cups of ice here. I'm going to add my mango chunks, and it's 12-ounce bag. Then I'm going to add my fresh mangoes. I'm going to squeeze half of a good size lime. If you have a small lime, then I would add the whole lime in here. Add 1/4 cup of mango syrup. Now we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on your taste. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. Let's see our blender, then crush and blend. I'm adding 1 more cup of ice, which will total to 3 cups that we've used. This is so that we can reach a slushy consistency. I'm going to try it just to make sure it's to my taste. What I blended basically made about 5 to 5.5 cups or 40 ounces. So now we're gonna prepare our cup, and I have taken my solo cup, and I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon on the rim. If you want, you can also squeeze some lemon on a bowl and then just dip it. And I've got my tahine, again, fruit seasoning, and I am just going to make sure to get it all on the rim of my cup. Now we're gonna take our chamoy and we're gonna pour some in the cup, and then we're just gonna take it. Just make sure to get it all around the cup if you can. Now we're gonna add our mix that we just made, and I'm going to go probably about halfway, and I'm going to go in with some watermelon. I'm going to add a few chunks of strawberries and a few chunks of mango. Now I'm going to continue filling it to the top. Not all the way, because we want to add a little bit more fruit up top. But before I do that, let me go ahead and get my tamarindo straw, and I'm going to go ahead and just place that in here now. Then I'm going to add some mango chunks on top, a few strawberries, a couple pieces of watermelon. Now we'll add a few gummy worms on top, and I'll add some of my peach gummies. Oh, this is so good, guys. Looks so good already. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more chamoy, and I'm gonna go in with some tahine. And you wanna add just a little bit. And here you have it, guys. A mangonada roses style. Look at this. Doesn't this look so good? Now we're going in for the taste. So good. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.